Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about hair. I want to go through with you my favorite hair products right now. I want to do an entire hair haul with you. I have some new products, and then also I'm going to tell you like my top 5 new tips that I've learned for my hair. So basically my new hair routine. I could go more in depth later on, but I just want to kind of do a hair overview today. First, I want to jump right into the products that I am loving right now, and we're just going to take it to my shower. Some of my favorite products are actually from the Redken acidic bonding line. They're so good. I love the shampoo, but I also love the treatment that they have. Other treatments I love are the Olaplex number 3. I also love the Amika blonding, the blonding deep conditioner. It's really good. I also have something from Briogeo. It's the rice water mask. And then I also have the Redken conditioner, but I like the Amika one a lot more. Speaking of Amika, I also love their soul food mask as well. And while we're talking about all my conditioners and treatments, I'll talk to you about my last one, which is my favorite regular conditioner. It's the JVN Undamaged Strengthening Conditioner. It's really good. It's really helpful for my hair. And I don't use these all every week. I typically have 3 washes a week, and I will wash my hair with my regular conditioner once a week, and then I'll pick 2 treatments a week and kind of alternate. So for example, maybe I'll do the acidic bonding treatment once, and then also the Olaplex once a week, or I'll do the Amika hair food, and then this one the other time I wash my hair. So I kind of switch it all up because my hair prefers a bunch of different things. I use this if I need to deeply cleanse my hair. I also have, this is my regular shampoo that I love, the Redken one, and the Olaplex one I kind of switch off. I'll use the corresponding one when I choose the conditioner or treatment, and then I just have a purple shampoo, which honestly I never use because, like I said, I prefer this mask. So that is all my hair stuff in the shower. I want to take you to this little cubby because this is where a majority of my hair stuff is. I use this every day. It's the JVN Shine Oil. So before I shower, I put this all over my scalp and my hair for like 10-15 minutes. I always put some oil in my hair before I shower, but if not, I just put in the JVN one, whatever's like easier for me to grab. But this is what I use when my hair is dry every day. This has been such an amazing part of my routine, is adding this in once a day right when I wake up. Another product that I love is the Fable & Mane hair oil mist. This one's really nice. It smells delicious, and it's a nice light oil. So I use this if my hair is starting to get a tiny bit greasy. Not greasy, but I just don't want the most amount of shine, I'll use this. And if I want a ton of shine, I'll use the JVN one. And you already know my silk scrunchies are my go-to. I use these every single time I want to put up my hair unless I'm using a hair clip. And what I love about these is you can get them on sale every anniversary sale at Nordstrom, and the Nordstrom anniversary sale is going on right now, I think, or pretty soon, and they have a whole pack of these that are on sale, so they're not freakishly expensive. So definitely go try some. This one's kind of bit up because Sunny like ate it and I had to wash it in the washer. So this one's a little bit crazy, but I have nicer ones. I'll show you this one. It's a lot nicer and prettier. So those are all the products that I love to use while I'm in the shower, and then there are a few products that I use outside of the shower, so I'm going to show you those now. So when I get out of the shower, obviously I use my Tangle Teaser. It is so nice. I have 2 of them. This is so good for tangly hair. And then I choose one of these 2 products. I either go with the Olaplex number 9 or the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate leave-in product, and I basically pick the opposite of the shampoo and conditioner I use. So if I did Olaplex shampoo and conditioner, I put in the Redken, and if I use the Redken, I'll put in the Olaplex. And then once my hair is a little bit more towel dried, I'll put in the oil. As far as styling products go, I'm super simple. If my hair is wet, I'll put the frizz dismiss in it if I'm going to style it right away, or I'll put in a tiny bit if my hair is dry. And then I always go in with my ACV leave-in hair therapy. You can use really any leave-in hair treatment. I just like to use both so I know I'm protecting my hair and getting every hair piece. And then to set, I use the Pacifica Big Waves Soft Hold and Volume Hairspray. I don't like anything crunchy. This one is very, very, very light. So if you need something strong, do not use this. This gives you the most natural, soft to the touch hold. It combats frizz. This is like my perfect dream hairspray, but it's not for everyone. And as far as tools go, I really only use my Dyson Airwrap with the blow dryer attachment. And if I want to blow out my hair a little bit more, I will use this extra attachment that I bought. I highly recommend buying their new attachments because they're so much easier to use. And then the only other thing I use is my hair straightener, but rarely. Mine is from T3. Mine is in the older looking style. They do have updated packaging or like updated product look that's a tiny bit more modern, but it's so nice. It has ceramic plates, so it holds onto the heat without burning your hair. It's amazing. And your hair like glides through the straightener and it doesn't stick. So that is all the products that I basically use on a day-to-day basis. And I don't style my hair a ton, maybe like once a week or so, just so my hair stays healthy, but that is the roundup. We're gonna dive into the hair haul now. So everything I got, I'm pretty sure was from Sephora, minus one thing, but I'll show you that soon. Amika is a new brand to me and I am loving their products. This is the Rescue Team hair set. So it comes with their shampoo, their conditioner, their detangling primer, and their repair mask. I've heard such amazing things about this line. This is basically Amika's answer to Olaplex. So I'm really excited to try it. I'm trying to find the perfect concoction for my hair. And it's so funny, right now I styled myself in some cute little waves. I didn't want anything curly, but I didn't want it straight. So I'm really loving the look I got today. All I did was curl it with an iron and then let it fall a little bit and ran my fingers through it and then went in with my hairspray. When I went blonde again, my hair got wrecked. It got destroyed at one hairdresser and then I had to go through multiple sessions with my new hairdresser. And so my hair was pretty damaged. Like we were doing the best we could without damaging my hair, but some damage was inevitable. The bottom of my hair was super crunchy and basically I restored it all back to health. Like you can't feel it, but the back of my hair feels just like the top of my hair now, which is super healthy and shiny, as healthy as it can be for being bleached, that is. Oh yeah, so the whole reason I was telling you that is I want to try out new products to kind of see what the best products are that will work for me, even though I have a pretty good roundup right now. You know, I love testing, love to share all the info. So this is the Briogeo Be Gentle Be Kind Aloe and Oat Milk Ultra Soothing Shampoo. So I got this on days where my hair is feeling a little bit dry. I wanted something a little less intense because I feel like the Olaplex shampoo and the Redken shampoo are kind of a lot, and my hair goes through a million different stages during the week. It goes from needing moisture throughout the week to feeling like there's a lot of product from the oils by the end of the week, but it still doesn't look oily. It's hard to explain. I have a very interesting hair texture, but I also wanted to try the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Mask. Now really the only reason why I want to try this is because it's a little bit cheaper than the Amika Soul Food mask. I love that mask, but it's just a lot to pay. I mean, it does last forever. Masks do last so long. Say that 10 times fast. Masks do last. But they do last a while, so I just wanted to try this, and their packaging is beautiful. Also from the line, I've heard amazing things. I wanted to try the Rapid Repair Serum. If you haven't noticed, I love putting a majority of products in my hair when my hair is wet post shower, and I don't put as much in once my hair is dry. So I like to really load it up when it's wet. That's when it like absorbs the most product and it doesn't leave a film on my hair. So I really wanted to try this Rapid Repair Serum, see what it does for me. Honestly, it looked like there was more in this box than there is. There's only like 4 things left, and 2 of them are like samples, I think. Obviously, you're gonna notice the theme because this is like the 3rd one I'm showing you. This is the Fable & Mane Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. I wanted to put a bunch of like detangling leave-in conditioners to the test because I love them and I go through them rather quickly. I use them every time I shower, and I wash my hair a little bit more than some people. I know some people wash their hair once a week or once every 2 weeks. I'm like a 3 times a week sort of lady. My hair just enjoys being fresh and clean, I guess. And also I use some acidic products which really help soothe my cuticle and really pH balance my hair. But anyway, I want to try the Fable & Mane product because I have that thing that I already showed you. Was it like the hair oil mist? We'll see how that works. Up next is another Amika product. It is the Flash Instant Shine Mask. Now sometimes, like I said, during the week my hair will randomly get dry. I'm assuming when there's like a longer period that I don't wash my hair. I wanted to try this and see if it gives my hair that glossy, shiny finish that it has when I leave the salon. I know they literally put hair glosses on my hair at the salon, but I'm hoping this will be similar and something I can do at home to kind of like refresh the shine. And along the lines of shine products, this is new to me, but I've used it a few times, even though it doesn't look like it because you only need the teeniest amount. It's the Olaplex Bonding Oil. This stuff is so good. What I love about this is it has dimethicone in it, which I know silicone's scary. I used to like avoid them at all costs, but it really helps if I put it in my hair before I shower. I'll either do this or the JVN one. I do this one if my hair is feeling a little bit more dry because the silicones create a little layer, like a protective layer over my hair. So when I use shampoo and conditioner, it first is taking off the dimethicone and like the silicones in here, and there's more slip to my hair when I'm shampooing it. That's actually one of the tips that I have. So we'll get more into that in a second. But yeah, it's amazing. It's been in my box the past month because I've been trying to do this haul, but it's been taking me forever. So I got this oil. I'm already loving it, and this is gonna last forever. Like I won't need to buy another one of these until probably late next year. It lasts really long. So last product that I bought, these 2 are just samples that I figured I'd talk about. But this one is actually from Ulta, the Bumble & Bumble Post-Workout Dry Shampoo Mist. So my hairstylist put me onto this. On the days where I'm not washing washing my hair, but I need a refresh. So maybe if I accidentally put a little bit too much oil in my hair, or if I got really sweaty like outside, but I can't shower yet. There's like always circumstances. I know wash day for your hair is such a thing. Like you have to plan your life around it. But you put this in your hair, you spray it all over, and then you use your hair dryer on the cold setting and you blow dry your hair, and this just refreshes your hair and basically gives you like a blank canvas to work with. So it says it cleans sweaty strands while absorbing oil and helping to eliminate odor. This would be great for my really active girlies. This would probably come in handy for you, or my nurses, anybody who works a demanding job where you need a quick touch up and you don't want to do a full new hairdo before you go into work. That would probably help. But then last thing really quickly, I got these Pureology samples. It's the Hydrate Conditioner and Shampoo. I figured I would try this. It was one of those like free Sephora, you put in a code and you get like a little gift. I wanted to try them out because obviously I'm on a hair care kick right now. So a couple days ago when I realized my hair was looking pretty amazing, I wrote down a whole notes section of points that I think have been making my hair feel so much better. So I'm just gonna run through them with you really fast. If you already have a hair routine, you can just ignore this, but maybe this will help somebody. This one's really for my sister. I love you. Number one is that I wash my hair a few times a week. I don't think it's applicable for everybody to only wash your hair like once a month or once a week or whatever people do. I know that's big in the hair world, but I don't think it's bad to wash your hair multiple times a week. This I kind of touched on in the shower, but I switch up my treatments in the shower. So I don't want to overdo one treatment. So I do like 2 treatments a week, but I space them out in between a regular wash. But when I'm outside of the shower, I always use the same products. Where are they? I will always use one of these post shower, the Olaplex number 9 and the Redken. What is this even called? The leave-in treatment. And I did already talk about this, so I guess I'm just kind of repeating myself now, but I put an oil in my hair before I shower every time. And I try to put the oil in about 10, 5, 15 minutes, whatever I have before I get in the shower. Sometimes I literally put it in and go straight into the shower because we don't always have time for that. If you're gonna be at home all day, you could even put this in your hair, like drench your hair in hair oil in the morning, put it up in a clip, and then by nighttime your hair is gonna feel so luxurious when you go and take your shower. And then if you're a morning showerer, if you take morning showers, then you would obviously do this at night and then wake up in the morning and take your shower. So very good tip. And one with silicones, don't be afraid of them. They actually can help with the slip of your hair and the feel of your hair while you're shampooing. And to go along with that, every morning I will put on an oil into my hair. Even though I just said that I didn't put oil in my hair today, I kind of forgot. So we'll put a tiny bit of this in. When I say always, I mean most of the time. I always plan to do it, but what actually happens, you know, it's a mystery to us all. I put the oil from the ends of my hair and the mid shaft, and I avoid the root section, but I do go through my bangs a tiny bit because like the ends of my bangs are like the driest part of my hair. So I try to get those, and voila, my hair is shiny and beautiful. So I do that every morning on dry hair. And then another thing I've been doing is using clips more often. I only have my freaking hair tie with me to show you right now. I'm very ill prepared, but I've been using hair clips way more often, just big ones. I'll link some down below that I've been using. I'll just roll my hair up in a little twist, put my hair on the back of my head, and then put the clip on, and then let my hair fling back so it looks like that. It's really cute, and it just keeps my hair from breaking from constant ponytail usage. These ones are the best ponytails that I've found, the slip silk ones, but if your hair constantly has tension in one area, eventually it's gonna break. Like, that's just physics. So I try to put my hair in a clip sometime to switch up like the pattern of where I'm putting my hair back, because I'm in Florida and I feel like I'm always putting my hair back. It gets so hot here. Luckily my hair can be down right now because I am in the cool air conditioning of my office, which I just realized my fan is on, so I hope that it hasn't been whooshing into the camera. Actually, also fun update, I got a little microphone to plug into my camera that I can clip onto my shirt. I just need to figure out how to use it and then actually use it. The only 2 hurdles. But that is it. That is all. If I forgot any tips or any products I meant to mention, I will link everything down below so you can get all the specific details down there in the description box. But I hope this was helpful for you. I know it was kind of a mad dash, fast and furious to get through all of this, but that is just the mood today. I am hype on coffee. But thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you. Bye.